Hi, my name is Marie and welcome to my YouTube channel, Marilette's World. On this video, I'm going to restore an old toaster. Restoring an old toaster. We're gonna remove the debris inside the toaster using a brush. Now that we've removed the debris, we're going to scrub the stain off the toaster using baking soda. We'll make a paste, mix it with water. I'm using a soft cloth from Baby Wipes to apply the baking soda paste on the surfaces of the toaster and scrubbing them. Just need a bit of elbow grease and baking soda. This is one side where we scrub off all the stains, and this is the other side. I'm also using this scrubber for more stubborn grease. Here's the finished product. I used baking soda and water, a scrub for stubborn stain, soft cloth, and brush. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and click the thumbs up button. Please subscribe to my channel and I'll see you on the next video.